Hello everyone, today I want to talk about washing a vehicle in direct sunlight. As you see me starting out, I am pre-rinsing the top of the vehicle, making sure there's nothing up there that's going to get caught in my mitt and potentially scratch the vehicle. This vehicle is only 5 months old, so I'm trying to be extra delicate with it. Once I've got everything rinsed off, I go ahead and grab my mitt and start applying the soap to as much of the top of the vehicle as I can reach. I do have long arms, so that's quite a bit, but I have to be mindful of how big of an area I'm working on because at the same time, the sun is starting to dry the soap, which is what I'm trying to prevent by doing this panel by panel. I want to make sure to cover all the edges up on the top of the vehicle because once I start moving down the vehicle, I'm going to not be putting any soap because I'm trying to keep water from spraying up on the top of the vehicle. Now that I've got everything, all the soap put on the vehicle, I am starting to rinse it back off. This is something you want to do pretty quickly to ensure that you're not having anything dry up on you. At the same time, I'm also starting to rinse the other side of the roof that I couldn't reach. It helps to cool down the surface again, and also it's getting it ready for me to put the soap on this side of the vehicle. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my tripod with me, so I'm having to film me doing the other side of the vehicle from the same side. But you can still see me spreading the soap around, trying to get every bit that I can off of the roof at once, because I don't want to have to turn around and redo this. When I'm washing in direct sunlight, one time is all I really want to have to do on the roof. Now I'm starting to rinse it off. As you notice, I didn't take the wand all the way around to the other side of the vehicle. I just climbed up on my step stool on the driver's side and I'm rinsing the other side of the vehicle. It just helps to kind of speed things up. I didn't have to drag that stool around, and it's you have to be careful bringing that big of a stool around a vehicle because it can scratch it. Now you see me bringing out the drying towel. Once you've got everything rinsed off good, this is the whole point of the process. You want to go ahead and dry the panel that you just cleaned. The roof is definitely one of the tougher panels to do because of the size of it, especially on this SUV. There was a lot of space to cover. As you see here, I'm wiping off the windshield. You want to keep that in mind as well because you're going to get water on the windshield almost every panel that you watch. So just make sure to keep that in mind so you're not getting the same spotting happening on the windshield. Now I've sped everything up for you so you can see me just putting the process into use. I do split up the hood and the front bumper just mainly because I'm trying to keep all the heat off the soap. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.